What percentage of the fans do you think know that you're a real person?
Fewer than I'd like to to think.
Yeah.
Because I do get that a lot, where people are like, oh, I didn't know someone was up there actually playing. They
Right.
think it's automated because there are a lot of arenas where the organ stuff, especially, is automated, and it's just triggered from recordings.
You're kind of like the conductor to the fans.
Yeah, sort of like that. It's kind of like almost like live film scoring. I'm just like a loud fan,
Right.
really, up here.
Does it feel like it's been 33 years?
No, and like it's at the point now where things happened so long ago. To me, it seems like it's all like 3 or 4 years ago, and it's like, no, that was in 2005. That's 17, 18, 19 years ago now. But I didn't really see myself kind of in this niche with sports and music. But
Right.
it's worked out pretty well.